this is the new skid that I put on my snow blower, and it's already worn. So I'm trying out my roller bearings. This is basically a 6201ZZ steel bearing, and I welded a bolt to the old skid plate and then screw it on. And now I have a set of roller bearings instead of the old skid. The old skid was somehow not working well for some reason. Maybe it wasn't adjusted correctly. It was sort of like make the snowblower kind of twist and turn a little bit. So I put on this new set of roller bearings, and it is doing much better. It can go a straight line now, sort of like feel like you got a wheel alignment for your car. So long term, how well it works, I don't know. They're cheap. They're like $5 for 5 bearings. So when the sidewalk is uneven, the roller bearing seems to be able to deal with it. It hits a bump and then it keeps going. I don't think it will scratch the sidewalk, but we'll have to wait and see. Wait till the snow is all removed. But so far so good. I'm happy with it. Alright, thanks for watching. A lot more snow to come.